If you want to create a Discord account for the first time on your phone, here's a simple and secure method to get your Discord account set up properly in just a few minutes. First, make sure, whatever device you are using, download Discord app from Play Store or App Store. After it's installed, open the app. If you already have an account, you can log in. Otherwise, since we are here to make a new account, tap on Register. You can either do it using your email or phone number. We are going to use our phone number. If you are in the same page, first, make sure the correct region is selected. Carefully put down the correct phone number. Then, hit Next. Then, hit Confirm. Complete the CAPTCHA correctly and proceed. A confirmation code will be sent to your phone number or email, whatever you have chosen. Put it down and hit Verify. Now, you got to give a display name for your Discord account. You can also skip it for now if you want. Press Next. An auto-generated username will be here. You can either go with that or set your own, depending on its availability, and then create a strong password for your account, and then hit Next. Select your date of birth. When you are done, hit Create Account. Allow notifications and other prompts that comes on your screen. If you haven't used your email address, you will be asked to verify your email. Tap on Verify. Put down your email address. Make sure it's not already registered to any Discord account, and then hit Enter or Done. And when prompted, put down your account password and tap on Done. You will need to check your email inbox, where you got a verification email from Discord. Open it up and just tap on Verify Email. Then choose a browser, follow through some more prompts, and then hit Continue to Discord. Allow some more prompts. Sync contacts if you want, or skip it for now. Tap on Allow People to find me. Create your Discord name, and then hit Next. Choose a profile picture according to your preference, and hit Next. That's it! Your Discord account is successfully created. If you want, you can join some servers of your choice, or explore the app. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end.